Back, Nisha Ajmani from the Desert Water Agency is here. California is celebrating Water Awareness Month. We do that each May. DWA is highlighting where our water comes from and why it's so important to conserve. And I think we often talk about the source of our water.
That's right.
But there are a number of different places. Main sources are aquifer.
Right. We have a huge groundwater basin underneath our feet, and that is where we get the majority of the water for the Coachella Valley. Desert Water Agency has deep wells that pump that water up and then deliver it to our customers.
But we also replenish the aquifer with water that we import. Now, we get water from the State Water Project.
Yes.
But we trade with Metropolitan Water District in LA, and we get the Colorado River water that they're supposed to get.
Exactly, because we don't have the infrastructure to bring that State Water Project water all the way to the desert.
There's no pipeline, we have canals that bring Colorado River water.
Exactly,
here.
yes.
Now, we're looking at some pictures of our replenishment ponds. Tell people how those work.
So this is where the water from the Colorado River goes as it's being imported to the valley, and then it percolates from those ponds down into the ground and into our groundwater basin. And this is an example of one of our wells that then pumps that water out, and then it goes through our system and is delivered to our customers.
And you mentioned deep wells, so we have to drill down a long way to get to that water.
Yeah, they're very deep underneath the ground. There's lots of rocks and sediment in between, which actually acts as a natural filter for the water. And one of the things we really want to highlight is that even though our groundwater levels are stable right now, conservation is really important so that we can make sure to protect this supply for the future.
Absolutely. And you have lots of ways that people can conserve water on your website, your brand new website.
That's right. We launched our new website last week, which is very exciting. And we have lots of rebate information and water saving tips and resources there on our website. So we have rebates for efficient appliances, grass removal, sprinkler nozzles, smart controllers, all kinds of things there.
Love the smart controller. I put one in several years ago, and it's one of my favorite devices for our backyard. It
is great. It automatically adjusts. If there's rain, it'll turn itself off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very helpful.
Very helpful.
And then another tip or another tool that we have is our conservation kit. So for Desert Water Agency customers, we have a conservation kit. They can go online, fill out a form, and come in and pick up one of those kits.
I got one, and it's great. Use it all the time.
We do. We love. It's very popular. Yeah. I will say. Yes.
All right. You can go to dwa.org and check out their new website, but you can find lots of water saving and money saving deals on there, and turf rebates, that sort of thing, still going on. So you want to check it out. Nisha, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Let's go back over to Angela and Jeff.